Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile setting, and today's video title is guys how to use iqoo mobile incoming call flash notification setting. Friends, you want to on iqoo mobile incoming call flash notification. So friends, now let's see how to on iqoo mobile incoming call flash notification setting. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how to use iqoo mobile incoming call flash notification setting. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting, how to turn on iqoo mobile incoming call flash notification. Scroll down here, open your phone shortcut setting. After turn on phone shortcut and accessibility setting, friends, three finger screenshot you want to use, you can on three finger screenshot, you can take a screenshot with three fingers. Swipe down, slide down with three finger, you can take a screenshot. Easy data shortcut setting friends you want to use, so you can on easy data shortcut setting and you can use it. So friends, scroll down here, flash notification setting, tap here, incoming call flash notification setting you want to on. So friends, you can on. Friends, I have on already and I am using flash notification setting, and you want to use. So friends, click here right side and you can use. And friends, you can use when your phone screen is off. So friends, your camera flash will blink. So like that friends, you can on iqoo while incoming call flash notification. And friends, when your phone screen is on, so you cannot use incoming call flash notification setting in iqoo mobile. You can use when your phone screen is locked, so you can use iqoo mobile incoming call flash notification setting. And you don't want to use, so friends, you can turn off incoming call flash notification. After turn off friends, you cannot use flash notification setting. Your flash will not blink when your phone screen is off. So like that friends, you can use iqoo while incoming call flash notification setting. Friends, click here search option, flash setting, flash flash notification setting. Friends, click here, you can on incoming call flash notification with shortcut setting, and you can off incoming call flash notification with shortcut setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, you have any problem, so you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.